In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Western Union to India. To do this is fairly simple. First, just going to open up the Western Union website or app, and from there what you want to do first is set it to send to, and then just type in India and choose how much you want to send, for example 25 euros. From there, click on send money right there, and then here again enter the amount you want to send if it was changed. And then from there you can choose how you want the receiver to receive the money, so through cash or bank account. I'll use bank account. Then how would you like to pay, credit or debit card, ideal or a bank transfer, I'll do ideal. Then just click continue. Then if you already have an account, sign in. If you don't, just go and click register now. So then after you log in, it may be reset, so again just search for India. And you may need to enter these same details again, so just enter you want to send the amount that you want to send, choose how you want to pay and the delivery, so you can change both of those right here. So again, I'll do pay by bank account and delivery by bank account as well. Then just continue, and then you will need to enter your recipient details. So I already have a few recipients, so I'll just select one of these. For you, you may want to click add new to add the new recipient. Then just enter the receiving details such as the bank account or UPI details, and from there click continue, and you will also need to enter some details about yourself, and eventually you will get to an overview. Just make sure that everything is correct, and if it is, go ahead and confirm and pay for it, and then after you pay for it, the money will be on its way to your recipient. So that's how to transfer money from Western Union to India. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.